Genome sequencing of samples of COVID is imperative to understand the extent of virus mutation and tweak the treatment protocols. But the government has admitted that it is not feasible anymore to even sequence 5% of the samples as promised earlier. India has only sequenced less than 1% of the samples for genomics, woefully low as the mutant variants wreak havoc. Sneha Murdani explains why this is a major setback.
Even 5% samples can't go for genome sequencing, says the head of India's disease control program, even as the worst hit states in India battle mutants. Ever since the country started to genome sequence using the network of 10 labs, less than 1% of the samples have been sequenced. Woefully low, say experts.
You need sequencing on a large scale, like at least 10% of your cases, to know what kinds of variants. And you need to sequence to know that are your lockdown measures, are your containment measures just reducing the old variant, or is it actually reducing the new contagious variants? Because new contagious variants, especially P1, is 2 times more contagious and is much more difficult to control. But without sequencing, you cannot make any claim.
The government is throwing its hand up in the air at a time when variants are replicating and mutating, leading to visible mayhem. By the government's own admission, the presence of the highly transmissible UK variant, the B.1.17 variant, has almost doubled in a span of less than a month in Delhi. It was seen in 28% of the samples in the first week of March, and this doubled to 50% towards the end of March. The assessment perhaps explained the exponential surge in cases of COVID in Delhi. The centre says the number of UK variant detected in Delhi has doubled. For example, in the first week of March, 28% samples showed the UK variant. In the fourth week of March, more than 50% of the samples were of the UK variant. Out of the 2,521 samples sequenced in Delhi, 13% samples found to be having the UK variant. 3% had the Indian variant, which is the double mutant variant. Meanwhile, in the state of Maharashtra, the presence of the double mutation variant has outnumbered the UK variant. Out of the 1,700 samples sequenced in Maharashtra, 24.8% of them had the Indian variant, which is the double mutant variant. About 1.7% were found to be having the UK variant. A triple mutation has been detected in West Bengal, scientists have confirmed. Genome sequencing is imperative to understand the manner in which the mutating variants are behaving, to understand the kind of impact that they are causing vis-a-vis the severity of the infection. It is unlocking the COVID code. Fighting a pandemic without doing adequate genome sequencing is almost like fighting an unknown enemy, somebody you know nothing about. The fight then becomes even more dangerous. In New Delhi, Sneha Murdani for India Today.
Hi everyone, Preeti Chaudhary here. Hope you like this video. For latest news and analysis, like and subscribe to the India Today YouTube channel. And don't forget to press the bell icon to stay updated. Thank you for watching.